Pip and P.
Hello friend, my name is Chip. Let's make this color paper a porcupine today. Let's get started. And do not forget about these tools to get started. You need scissors, colored paper, pencils, and glue. First, draw 2 circles on all sides of the paper and cut it to get the circles.
White.
Now fold the circle and make 2 equal pieces and cut the circle into 2 equal parts. After you have cut all the circles, now apply the glue to the edge of the sheet and roll the paper in as you are doing. Well, we have a lot of pyramids here, so let's cut the bottom of the pyramid. Let's stick them like we are doing.
Black. Black. Hedgehog.
Great is that we have finished.
Hedgehog.
Are they lovely? Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to support yourself by like and sharing videos. And subscribe to the channel to receive new videos. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.